NASA just discovered the strangest planet in the universe. What is it? From the 1990s to 2022, discoveries surrounded and amazed us. After discovering the first exoplanet, there was the prediction that 42,000 worlds were present and many more were future candidates. What if you find a chance of an interplanetary trip from the Earth to exoplanets? Who will reject? Obviously no one. Every new world has new opportunities, which instigates all of us, including astronomers and scientists. NASA's discoveries related to exoplanets with telescopes give hope to everyone that we are entering a new era of development. So we are lucky enough that thousands of planets around us are ready to host us. But don't pack your bag just yet though, as there are some weird and strangest planets. So search appropriately before leaving, as you could be in hell direct from home. Such wealth of planets also brings the thought that many more are coming our way. This video will share the details of some of the strangest and most bizarre planets in the universe. Before we dive deep into the planet's details, let me remind you to like the video and watch it until the end to find out why these planets are named strangest. The very first strangest planet on the list is the J1407b. This super Saturn planet ranked at the number 1 among the most eccentric planets because of its giant structure. NASA scientists say they have found the most prominent and first ringed planet beyond our solar system. This superworld is even 200 times bigger than Saturn, as it has a girdle of halos. This super Saturn J1407b has a disk of 30-odd rings, which is so vast. If they move around Saturn, it will cover Saturn and our night sky as well. This domination will be so clear that you can see this marvelous, colossal system of rings and gaps easily from the Earth. Just open your aesthetic eye and imagine the beauty of the night sky, where you will see giant rings and alternate gaps several times bigger than the moon. I hope you find the answer to why this J1407b is at the top position among the strangest galaxies. According to Professor Kenworthy and Eric Mamajek, it required a new way of thinking to say, oh, hold on a minute, this could be a giant ring system. That is such an incredible idea, it's completely nuts. Further added by Professor Kenworthy, this is the first time somebody's seen such a giant ring system outside the solar system, any ring structure at all around what we think is a planet. Other significant aspects is when a vast disk of spaced rings around a planet moves between Earth and J1407b, blocking the starlight and burst. This planet is only 16 million years old, termed an infant planet. Let's talk about its temperature. It is assumed that the J1407b is made of dust. That's why the planet is hot at about 1,000 to 2,000 degrees Celsius. Are you excited for the next? You should be. As the universe is full of strange and bizarre things, let's move on towards the following fantastic planet. The number 2nd in our list is HD 189773b. After the giant planet, the next we will tell you about is the most terrifying and deadly planet in the universe. This Halloween planet caught the astronomers' attention when they passed nearby and discovered the other friendly planets. This ghostly planet indicates the dark spot of the beautiful universe. This nightmare world is termed the hot Jupiter, only 64 light years away from Earth. It may look like a deep blue gorgeous ball from the Earth, and you assume it is heaven, but don't be deceived, as the temperature on this planet is deadly. Its winds blow up to 5,400 miles per hour at 7 times the speed of sound, whipping all would-be travelers in a sickening spiral around the planet. Hold on, that's not the ending. The dreadfulness continues, as this planet is also remembered as where it rains glass sideways. If unluckily you are at HD 189773b and rain starts, then you will be spun furiously by winds blowing at 8,700 kilometers per hour. You'd be cut into shreds by glass rain. The planet's delightful blue color reflects silicate in its atmosphere. Did you know about silicates? There's nothing dreadful about it. Yes, silicates are not the danger, but the planet's temperature, that deathly 1,300 degrees Celsius, form grains of glass by melting silicates. Moving forward, the number 3 strangest planet in the universe is HAT P7b. This planet will literally give you a cold chill, as it is the hottest and most giant planet, a planet that has all dreadful and strange factors. That's why it is named an ultra-hot Jupiter, dark as charcoal with a sapphire sky. HATP-7b is categorized in the polar orbit as its orbital plane tilted 108 degrees relative to its host star. Let's talk about the aspect of speed. Then this planet will surprise you, as the year on this world is less than 3 days. The reason is this planet orbits the star so closely, more than 20 times more than our Earth to the Sun. The temperature of HATP-7b is different, as during the daytime, its temperature is 2200 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than our previously discussed hottest and most deadly planet. On this base, it is also named ultra-hot Jupiter. This planet has another thing to surprise you, and that is darkness. It is one of the darkest known planets because it is as dark as charcoal, absorbing over 97% of visible light that shines onto it. Coming towards another one, WASP-76b, also called Iron Rain. As the name indicates, its severity. So don't go anywhere, as strangeness is not ending here. Many more are coming. The strangest and most terrifying planet is a hot Jupiter with a high temperature. The temperature on this planet can vaporize metal, as the temperature is as high as 4,300 degrees Fahrenheit, 2,400 degrees Celsius. This WASP-76b planet rains iron at night, but don't fool yourself by thinking that in the daytime it's not hellish at all. Let's make this clear. This rainy metal planet has a small size and is located 640 light years from Earth. This orbiting speed is responsible for its horrifying weather because they orbit uncomfortably close to their home stars. This relative closeness is 10 times closer than Mercury is to our Sun. Another interesting fact is its tightly locked leaves to its star, with one side permanently in light and the other stuck in the forever darkness. The last planet of this video, where we were discussing the strangest planet in the universe, is Ogle 2005 BLG 390LB, also called a frozen wasteland. So, this planet is among the strangest planet on this list, as it is far, it's cool, and it's small. In a nutshell, this is a recently discovered planet that fulfills the theory of the Big Bang and how our solar system formed. According to the author Jean-Philippe Bobelot, Ogle 2000 BLG 390LB is only the third extrasolar planet discovered so far through microlensing searches. The mass of this frozen planet is about 5 times the Earth's, and the core is thin, rocky, just like the Earth. The temperature is 50 Kelvin, making it the coldest planet ever discovered. Our solar system has many strange things. The more we search, the more wondrous and bizarre worlds we discover. This diversity intrigues us to find if life can indeed spur systematically through the universe, or if the universe is strange. The list of the strangest planets is long. Here we discuss the extreme, but others have some peculiar, extraordinary factors that will make them ghostly and beautiful. With this, many undiscovered things are also present around us, and scientists are developing technology to venture into unexplored lands. Someday we will tell you about those in our video, so keep yourself updated. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss any updates. Till then, keep liking and sharing our informative content. Thanks, viewers. Take care.